Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to create class and object using Python. So, let's start. Now, I am going to create a class called student. So, class should be in small case. student and a colon, then put a enter. Here we can add some member variables or member method inside class. Now I am going to take a constructor that will initialize some value when the instance will create it. To take a constructor, we have to write def underscore underscore init, that is initialization, underscore underscore, inside the bracket self, it is a default parameter, then a colon. Now I am going to take three variables, name, age and marks. So to initialize few name in the variable inside class, we have to use this self parameter. Self dot name equal to computer tutor. Next, self dot age equal to 4, self dot marks equal to 400. So these are the class variables. Now I am going to create a method that is an instance method, def talk is the method and self. Inside the talk method, we want to print the name, age and marks. So we have to write three print statement. Print hi self dot name in the next line. Print my age is self dot age another print my marks is self dot marks. So this is the instance method of the class. Now I am going to create an instance of student class. So name of the instance is suppose S1 equal to student, that is name of the class. It is same as the class name. Okay, so this line will create a instance of student class, and that is referred by S1. So, to access the method of the particular class, we have to use dot operator with the instance, the particular instance and the particular method name. So S1 dot talk. If we run this code, we will see that the S1 is a instance of class student and S1 access the method called talk of the student. So I am running this code. As you can see, the output of this particular code, hi computer tutor. That means the S1 called this talk method and it will display hi and name is computer tutor. So hi computer tutor. Next, my age is, that is 4. So my age is 4. And finally, the marks. So here my marks is self.marks. Marks was 400. So here the marks is 400. So this is how we can create a class and object and access the variable of the class using the instance or object in Python. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. For this kind of video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.